Seriously, the best side dish, Thanksgiving or otherwise. I kid you not, this is my most requested, my most frequently going back for seconds, going back for thirds, wanting to take home dish. I mean, for the effort you have to put into this, the payload is amazing. So you definitely want to try this. This was inspired by a local teppanyaki restaurant that we go to a lot called Benihana's. But honestly, my version is better. So you're going to start by preparing a large pan with some olive oil. And I'm probably going to pour it's probably like 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you just want to, mix it around evenly in the pan. And then you're going to add some chopped onions. You want to get a nice, mild, sweet onion. And chop it up into kind of big pieces to match the zucchini slices. You're going to get a couple of zucchinis, slice those up, and you want to use baby Bella mushrooms. You guys, the secret is in the mushrooms. Baby Bellas they're darker brown, they're much more mature and flavorful than the white mushrooms. They're going to be a lot more savory in this dish. So then you're just going to let everything kind of saute and soften up on its own over like probably a medium to medium high heat. And then you can add in a splash of tamari. I'm probably adding in probably 2 to 3 tablespoons total of tamari. And that's just gluten-free soy sauce. It has a really unique flavor. It's really delicious. And then you can season it with a few sprinkles of sea salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. And I like Malibar, that's my favorite. And then you just want to stir it around occasionally and just kind of keep an eye on it. And you can do taste tests and add in more seasonings as needed as you go along. And you'll see that it's kind of liquidy here. So ultimately, we just want to get that cooked off. So yeah, just kind of let it do its thing and keep an eye on it. If you do feel like you need more tamari, you can add another splash in. You're just going to want to crank up the heat a little bit so it cooks off more quickly. And you can see here, everything's starting to kind of brown and caramelize. It's looking really good. And my house smells freaking amazing. So most of the liquid is cooked off, and I'm just gonna do like a final pass of seasonings here. And these are looking really, really good. And I know some of my viewers are totally drooling right now because I know some people who love this dish. So now we're just gonna transfer it to a serving dish. And I didn't get too fancy here. The dish really speaks for itself, but you could garnish it with some chopped chives. I think that would look really good, really nice and aesthetic. So anyways, I've got one of each here, and outstanding. You guys have to try this one. You definitely want to put this one on your like list to give it a try later. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this dish. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this dish if you try it out. And I hope you all have a wonderful holidays, and I will see you all next time.